Hey, what's up everybody? I'm in Tacoma here, and I'm doing a cap on this one here that has the cap busted off. They come like this, and as you can see, this one right here is on, and this one broke off. They just want the cap on, so I got a new cap. Here is the part number, 855-3508010. Alright, so these are a little different from these USB ports. These USB ports are easy. These are a little different. As you can see, if you look in here, there's that little spot inside of there where it's that little black hole. There's one on the top as well. And what you're seeing right there is let's see if I can get it on my camera. Shoot. Like right here, I don't know if you guys can see it, but like right here, that's what you're seeing. So basically what we're going to do is just push that down and push this one down and then pull this metal silver part out. This is what I'm using, like a hook pick. I know this isn't a common tool, but you could find something that's similar. And basically what I'm going to do is just go in here and push down this black tab like that, and then I'll go up here and push it on top. Push this one a little bit. Now, you might have to hold pressure on those, but you want to get something right here and just kind of separate this silver part from the black piece. Okay, so if you can get a flathead in here to kind of push between these two, like that. But what I found the easiest is to take this hook, push down on here, and then pull this silver part out, and then do the same for the top. And this silver part will actually kind of come out, as you see. It's kind of a wrestling match sometimes, but don't lose your cool when you're doing this. I'm going to just wiggle this out like that. Okay, well, it came unplugged. That's okay. If it comes unplugged, it's okay. The cord's not like it'll be pretty easy to grab if it gets in there. Go ahead and just maybe pop that out like that. And then yeah, as you can see, my connectors right there. I'll get like some pliers and just grab that, some needle nose, and pull it back out. No big deal. Take our new one, put it in from the front, and line up this hole with the lock right here. Don't push it all the way in just yet. We'll just get it started. Also, there's a little like guide on the silver part. Line up the guide with the plastic guide. Alright, we're going to get it like kind of started, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get it plugged in first, and then I'm going to put this whole thing in at once and push this in when it's already in the dash. Okay guys, I had to get some needle nose pliers to kind of fish that out. This is actually not a long wire harness at all. They should have made it a little longer so I could poke out a little bit, but I'm going to try to hold it while I put mine in, so I won't be able to really film it too good. Hey guys, so I held it with the pliers, and then I got it connected back there. You can kind of see the connector, that gray thing connected. So you want to have it half-hearted in. Now you see how this one is down here? Let's try to match it. So let's line it up. And then we want to push the black part in first. We want to get that in there first. Okay, so I got that in. I'm not going to lie, I kind of had to push a little hard. Once that's in, let's go ahead and push this in now. Like that, and then there we go. Little test lights.